Hello kids, good morning. Can you see the picture here? See, there are so many things here. So, can you guess what are we going to do today? Okay, yes. They are words with the letter D. But first, we'll do a picture talk of this image that you can see. So, and then we'll update your vocabulary of words with the letter D. So first we'll do a little bit of picture talk. See, so first we have to see what are the things that you can recognize or that you know are present in the image. It's a beautiful day. One bird is flying. See, an animal is eating grass. There are two ducks in a pond and a man is doing gardening. See, this can be your dad also. He is doing gardening. And there are far away, see, so far there are trees. See, they are looking small as big as they are far from this place. See, the trees which are big, they are close to us, and those are far, they are small. So now let's get into the book with the words, okay? So starting the lesson with the tracing activity of the letter capital D. Standing line, left open curve, and small d, standing line, right open curve. This is a bit confusing. This is having left open curve and this one is having right open curve. But by practice you will know how to write. So let us learn some words. So see, this is an animal and the name of this animal is donkey. Okay, so we have to pronounce words with their phonic sound, and the phonic sound of D is D, the donkey. Okay, and see, D, the duck. You know duck, you have seen them also. Okay, so the name of this flower is D, the daisy. See, daisy. And this is D, the dad. Yay, dad. And the name of this bird is D, the dove. And when we want to enter our house, which is the thing that we open? We open the D, the door. See, door. Now see how beautiful the image is. There is a donkey, there is a duck. There our dad is working. Okay, clouds are there. So you must practice sometime this picture talk thing. Okay, at home also. Take any pictures. Okay, take any picture. Okay. See, in this picture, this is a small picture. And what you can see here? Here is a D, the dolphin. Okay, in the water, and there are some things also. So this is a small picture talk, but you can do big and a better one. So now see, there are 4 more words with D. So you know this person, he treats us. Okay, he gives us medicine. So he is D, the doctor. And this fellow, this pet, he barks so much. Oof, it's very much disturbing, no? Outside of our house, they always do bow, 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 bow. And we throw stones at them. That shoo, shoo, shoo. So he is D, the dog. Yay! And our play toy. See, this is D, the doll. And when we play Ludo, we use this. This is a D, the dice. You know na, playing Ludo? Yes. So let's recapitulate. D, the doctor. D, the dice. D, the dog. D, the doll. See, I have one more book in which there are some new words also related to D. So, in this picture, see what you can see. There are trees far away, small hills or sand hills you can say. There are two dolphins also. D, the dolphin. This is baby dolphin. This is mama dolphin. Okay. And here are some words. Some words we have seen earlier, and there are some new words also. Okay. So recapitulate. D, the doll. D, the doll. D, the dog. D, the dog. So how dog makes sound? Bow, bow, bow. Like this. Wow, wow, wow. You also make sound? Yes, very nice, very nice. And this one is a dice. It's used in the game of Ludo. Okay. And here comes the door. We open the door to enter our house. And this animal is a donkey, and the sound it makes is I can't make that perfect noise of a donkey. But I tried a little bit. And here is the beautiful deer. See? Deer. D, the deer. D, the deer. Okay. So you can quite often do picture talks with this type of small images in your books, and you can tell them to your mother, father, brother, sister, anyone, and revise all the words. Okay. So then that's all for today. Bye. See you next time with a new letter. Bye.